Let's take a look at the frozen semen inventory in WO6 option. From main screen, I can go to the Stallion Management, Frozen Semen Management, Inventory Log. And basically there are 4 options I can explore the frozen semen inventory. General is going to show all the straws, batches of straws. In WO6 option, the straws are maintained in batches. So the batch of straws can be record and maintained by the general view. You can view by Stallion. You can view for a selected particular tank or based on the ownership. In WO6 option, although the Stallion, for example, belongs to customer A batch of straws can actually be purchased and transferred the ownership to customer B. So the batch of straws has its own ownership maintenance. I'm going to click on the general, which is going to show me, this is a sample database, it's just showing me all the straws that I have in the database. And as you highlight the batch of straws, it's going to tell you the numbers. You can customize the columns and everything over here based on the list settings option. That's going to allow you to sort this. You can use the little icons as filters to narrow down your selection if these options here are not enough. You can export into Excel spreadsheet or in a PDF format. If you highlight one of those, you can do e-form letters and create customized forms that will provide information about the batch of straws and the collection itself. And down here on the bottom, you can see the tank log. In other words, all the transactions, ins and outs for that tank, ins and outs for that particular Stallion, and ins and outs for this collection only, for this particular batch of straws only. You can take a look at the shipping, frozen semen, and breed on farm. And here is where we're going to explore how to create the rules for billing storages in WO6 option, but that's going to be in a separate lesson. So for this lesson, basically is to introduce you to the frozen semen inventory, how you can navigate and select your records by using options, filters, and operations that you can do with the buttons on the bottom. Thanks for watching.